welcome to Veganuary day 16. I've got a heartwarming, soul-satisfying recipe for you today. It's for African peanut stew. Ooh. I'm probably not doing it traditionally, but that's okay because every recipe you make your own anyway. So this is how I'm making this my own. This is my favorite type of recipe. It is a dump recipe.
We love a dump queen!
Woo! Pull up the dump truck! Alright. So we're going to do this in the Instant Pot, but you could totally do this on top of the stove. I'm going to start dumping everything into my Instant Pot liner. So I've got 3 large sweet potatoes. I'm using 2 purple yams and 1 regular traditional orange sweet potato.
Let's see those hands.
They really stain. It's full of antioxidants. It's saying cancer, get out! Exactly. Alright, I'm putting in a sweet onion. Beautiful. Love it. You could see even the purple from the knife got on. Yeah, it is a very colorful dish. Then, Maddie so kindly measured these out for me. Ginger, garlic, Himalayan sea salt, and cumin. So those are all going in. You're going in, and you're going in.
This is
I feel like
Oprah's kitchen.
Kind of, right? They say to use crushed red pepper if you like it. I don't really like it that much, so I'm just putting in that much.
Like 2 flakes.
They say to put in like a tablespoon, but I think you could probably leave it out. I know I don't really like it that spicy, and everybody else in the family doesn't like it spicy at all. Then we're going to add some tomato paste. You can also use chopped tomatoes, but I heard that it makes it watery, and for some reason I just want this thick. This seems like a thickie to me. So that's a small can's worth of tomato paste. Then we're going to add in the bouillon. I always use the paste and water, so we're doing 6 cups worth of veggie bouillon. So basically that's 1, 2, I love to measure, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, then we're going to put the water in, which is really magically now veggie bouillon. Now the weird secret ingredient. Peanut butter! I know what you're thinking. That doesn't sound good. But it is. So we're going to do a whole cup of peanut butter. Again, measured extremely carefully. I think just a little bit more. Alright, so at this point I'm just going to mix it up a little bit. Not only to mix it up, but to like get it off of here. Look, I practically did the dishes just then. Last ingredient, I'm not going to give an amount for. I'm just going to say, girl. Or you could use collards if you want. Either way, but I really prefer kale. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill up the pot as much as I can with the kale. And that's how much I'm going to use. Smush it down if you have to. It's okay in the Instant Pot if you go above the line because that's not liquid. That's going to compress a lot. So the air is still going to be able to circulate in there. So it's okay if you go above it a little bit. Alright, so that's at least half of this bag of kale. So that's what, like a pound? No, it's only 8 ounces of kale. This is a 16-ounce package, so about 8 ounces of kale. This is probably like a large bunch of kale at the supermarket when you go to buy fresh kale. Alright, so we're going to take this over to the Instant Pot. The Instant Pot Commander. We're going to pop on our lid. We're going to close the valve. We're going to do 20 minutes, high pressure, and then it'll turn on itself. See you in 20 minutes. Alright, we ate this hours ago, but it is still so good.
It was really good.
It was really velvety.
The peanut butter made it super smooth, and the tomato paste gave it like some weight, you know? So it was like nice and thick. And you're having it even better now because you have the peanuts sprinkled on top.
Yep, peanuts and scallions. It's really good on some rice. It just feels satisfying.
And this is one of those dishes that's going to get better with time.
The longer it sits in the fridge and when you heat it up the next day, you're going to love it. So it's a winner. It is. So I hope you guys try it and like it. Thumbs up if you do. Subscribe for more. I hope Veganuary is going great for you guys. And until next time, much love.